Hello students, I want to explain in this video the concept of expanding and collapsing, and also a little bit more on navigating your menus and navigating in the windows. So see this little arrow that looks like a down arrow? Sometimes it's in this direction and sometimes it might be in the going to this side. What this means is that there's more things to look at and it will expand. And you can see more. And if you click it again, now it's going to close it. So you expand things and close things. Okay? And you'll find that I'll show you when we get into a Word document, I'll show you how those look there. So these kind of things, these little navigators like that are going to be all over everywhere. Here's some more. Here's some more. So you're probably familiar with that. And I want to mention this right here. This is called breadcrumbs. And so you clicked, first you started with home, then clicked certifications, then just chose Microsoft Office Specialist, and now I'm looking at resources. And so this whole thing is called a path, or some people call it breadcrumbs, because if you go backwards, you can go to the different things that you'd been looking at, and I'll go home. Okay, so we want to look at certifications. These are Microsoft Office ones, and now I'm making breadcrumbs right along there, but you can jump all the way home instead of going all the way back up here on this arrow. You can just click home and you'll be at home. Okay, then I want to talk about these three dots right here. Those will expand a menu, and sometimes the dots will be these are vertical dots. Sometimes you'll have horizontal dots. So let me show you what those would look like. I'll go over to this. Oh, excuse me. Before I do that, let's look at another way of expanding. A plus and a minus sign can also show you expanding and collapsing. Or sometimes a plus and a minus means to zoom in and zoom out. Okay, let's go over to this document real quick. And here's these little down arrows, so there's going to be a menu there. Here's another little type of down arrow, and we get a dialog box. There's a down arrow there. And I'm going to close with that X right there. And if we look at design here, oops, excuse me. I'll just pick this here. And I'm looking for some file, some three dots, and I'm not seeing them. They were showing up before, but okay. We have like down arrows, and then if I pick something like this menu item, then down here you can barely see it, but there's three dots. So you have vertical dots and we have horizontal dots, and what they mean is that there's more options for you. So be looking around for those. When you can't find what you're looking for, go to expand and collapse, so that things that might be hidden or showing up, you can find them. Go to the three dots, either hamburger dots or hot dog dots. A good name for them is actually see more, S-E-E, more dots. And then another thing is to slide, and you can use, sometimes you have to slide for options. And so those are moving. And if we look down here, we have a slider down here. This one will be zooming. And a lot of what you learn on a computer is just by doing and not being afraid to click on that button or click on an arrow and see what you actually end up with. Okay, that's kind of all I wanted to mention in this video.